What is up, family? Welcome to another week with a South African bass player. Let's take a quick trip to Goshen City Church at West Dean. We are recording vocal overdubs for a project that Sound of Goshen is releasing, and we are launching it at Worship in Shiloh on the 24th of November this very month. We've got Kolingwango joining us, and we have Mam Lebus Khobela joining us. Of course, I had to buy some of these stuff. If you know, you know. Anyways, here's what the guy sounded like. Man, you gotta love some of that old school stuff, man. Anyways, the next day I had a rehearsal for Shekhinah with the orchestra. We got there and I got my stuff set up. Of course, I've got my footprint everywhere. That's Mzizi, the guitarist, and that's, of course, Stumza or Bliss on drums. That's KB right there. And at the back there, you see Shekhinah. And, of course, our MD Shiga in the orchestra. And then we had to take the flight a couple of days later, and I was fragile. It was an evening flight. We're flying to Cape Town, and I promise you, man, like I always say, it is such a blessing to do what I do for a living. I think it's crazy for me that I get to travel as much as I do. I get to be on the road with some amazing people, interact and network and connect with all kinds of people from all kinds of walks of life. And I appreciate God every day for the gift of music. Music is a gift that keeps on giving. Anyways, while we're in the flight, I decided to do some research and some homework. I'm busy learning on some gospel production, and so this one of the guys I watch a lot, man. He makes it look so simple. Soon we landed in Cape Town, Joburg to Cape Town. It's about 1,262 kilometers. And of course, as soon as we landed, the craziness started. Mzizi had just dropped his record that day, his album, and so we're treating him like a celebrity. That Shek, taking videos, we're screaming and all kinds of stuff, and people were looking at us like we're weird. Love the walk, man. Of course, parking lot, we're dancing, Bluetooth speaker always. Got to the car, listen to the music again. Always a party, always a good time with Shaq and the Circus. Shaq and the Circus. I think I'm starting to like that too much. Family, I promise you, being on the road is sometimes a bit overwhelming. Of course, you get homesick. It gets a bit boring sometimes. But just the opportunity, we appreciate the opportunity all the time to get out there and make an income and see some nice spaces. I mean, we are about to get to a hotel here. It's the Rockefeller Hotel. It's quite nice, man. It's really nice. Anyways, the next morning, I woke up and went to the place of destiny, the place where dreams are made up, the dream bodies that we're praying for. We're not just praying, we're in the gym working out. And then, of course, I caught a quick breakfast. I actually had breakfast with Shaq. We sat together. We had some chats about family and life and whatever. And then we drove to the venue for soundcheck. And this Nogwanda, the road manager, was about to give us our per diems, and Bliss took all that money, and I was just like, I received millions, father, and was taking pictures. It was quite hilarious. I promise you, I travel with some crazy people. And we listen to some good music on the road. Shout out to DJ Shaq. Listen to this. Oh, come on, someone pray with me. Ay, 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 ay. Got to the venue, sound check, this is what we sounded like.
Thank you, Kapsa.
Right after sound check, quick in and out of the hotel, and Cape Town was a buzz. It was the Comrades Marathon happening in the same weekend we were there, so it was cars everywhere, people everywhere. Anyways, we got back to the venue, checked things out, assessed things out, make sure we connect with the mood, and of course we hit the stage. Here's what that was like. Side note, I always have a can of appetizer next to me. I'm always drinking some appetizer. Someone at appetizer needs to hit me up. Let's talk. Look, we might as well. shout out to Cape Town for always being a vibe, man. Good music, good people, good environment, good atmosphere, good views. Always such an amazing experience being there with the family. And of course, that's it for this week, family. Also, let me quickly shout out the guys that I work with. Shout out to Shigo, the MD. Shout out to Bliss and Mzizi. Of course, fly back to Joburg same time. Catch you on the next rodeo. Cheers.